Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a Summit white paint finish and is the LT trim. It includes features such as factory GPS navigation, a heated 40-20-40 leather bench seat, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, trailer tow package with an auto-locking rear differential, as well as our all-terrain tires with our polished aluminum rims and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Power mirror controls, our power locks, as well as our power windows and rear safety and rear window locks. The rest of the door we have some additional storage, as well as our speaker in the front. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have a storage space up top, transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting controls. Powered settings down the side of the driver's seat, which is finished in our jet black leather. Moving into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. We have a digital information system in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is all of our cruise settings. And the right-hand side of the steering wheel is our hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. We have AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth connection, as well as phone projection. If we hit on our nav, we can see our GPS navigation. Also have our settings, text, OnStar, and traffic support, as well as apps and My Chevrolet. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see our adaptive guidelines backup camera. Below, some additional controls if we don't want to always be using the touchscreen, as well as our CD player. Dual zone front automatic climate control. We have our heated seats for the driver and passenger, as well as our traction control and our high bed lighting. In the center, we have a foldable center console. We can see we have 3 cup holders, some storage throughout, as well as storage inside, with a 12-volt plug, as well as our 2 USBs and auxiliary input. Lifting up on the front edge, we can turn it into a center seat, also finished in our leather. On the front, we have a handle that we can push up, and we can see we have some under-seat storage. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also finished in our jet black leather, and is heated for the passenger. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have all of our dome lighting controls, as well as our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have a polished aluminum rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have white capped mirrors, as well as our white paint match door handles. Back of the vehicle, we can see our corner bumper step. All the way around at the back, we have our Silverado and LT badging in chrome, our trailer tow hitch at the bottom, as well as our yellow Chevrolet bow tie. Backup camera on the bottom of our handle. Opening into the bed of the truck, we have cable tie downs in the front and the back, and a black finish for our bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as storage throughout the rest of the door, and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the 2 seats, we have a storage area, as well as our 12-volt plug. Moving to the second row seats in the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. In the second row, we have 3 seats, a 60-40 fold-up split, all finished in our jet black leather. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.